Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel Ha's Crochet Fever. It's a cozy day for a crochet session, and today I'm making a mini cow. I followed the tutorial by Crochet with Maika, and if you'd like to try it yourself, the link to her video is in the description below. For this project, I used 3mm yarn in white and brown. Now let's jump right into it. First, I crocheted the head. I skipped filming the actual crocheting part because it's a bit repetitive and time-consuming. This video focuses on the fun part, putting it all together. Next, I added the eyes and stuffed the head to give it that cute chubby shape. Stuffing the head is actually my favorite part. Then I stuffed the body. Now it's time to assemble. Sewing the head and body together. Now attaching the arms to the body. And voila, it's all done. Now I'm wondering who to give this little guy to. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next, or if you've tried this pattern yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it if you enjoyed this video.